Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
You know, we're supercar spawn. Have you seen any supercars?
Yeah, bro. I dropped my key. Look, all bad. Gas station takeover. It's lit. I think we're dipping now. Old ass sleep, Bad boys.
A few moments later.
Copy no plates on the toll roads. Here, license, registration, insurance.
Yeah.
Got him! Yo, transponder.
A lot of people are taking pictures of the cars. I don't want to have my plate on there. And I'm just following the rally, so yeah. I just had to be in the back. Nice.
Get your information back. So there's no moving violation or anything like that. I have to. It's one thing we have to. This is a private road. All the toll roads are private.
No worries.
Yeah, none of you guys are speeding, man.
That's crazy. Yeah, it's been an all day thing.
No, there's a ton. Yeah. You see a lot of the rally routes come through here. This whole area. Nice car, man.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
So yeah, it's yeah. Just I would give them the heads up too, you know, because let them know, because if they don't call within 5 days, everybody came over here, they'll charge them, man. That fine, it goes, it's like $5 you call and pay. If you don't,
yeah, just
it's
the
like
regular My Toll Worlds, right?
Yeah, it's like TCA.com or something like that.
All right, cool.
All right, man. Drive safe, okay?
Thank you, man. Yep.
Have a good one.
Too. It's all good. Cool cop. He's just doing his job. Got no plates. I didn't know we were going through a toll, so if I did, I would have put the plate on. Psych. Full course meal. Sheesh.
1 out of 987.
Damn. This nigga is sick, bro. That hood scoop. The spec is so sick.
It's not flat.
Eat this. Dude, it looks like a transformer. This thing's pretty dope. No digital dash though. Looks pretty cool. Smash it.
Fucking love that you're this guy.
These things sound so sick.
Dude, that's literally my car.
They've been there behind me, so that's not.
Back the boys.
I like that.
What's up, man? Here.
Hey Nate, where's my burger, bro?
That kid loves his life. Those are AAAs, dog?
Now we gotta get on the make it happy. You know, we're supercar sponsors. Have you seen any supercars we'd really like to sponsor?
I don't know, man.
Alright, we'll
There's a bunch of Hondas over there.
we'll keep looking. Park next to them. There's a green, park next to
What's up, what's up? Hey, you look like Nav.
Independent, I got people that depend on me.
Imagine LS swapped R8. Yeah, we got everybody hanging out their windows and shit. It's so funny. Look, broken neck. He's got launch control in here, weak. We're assholes. Today was sick. I got a ton of content. Hope you guys liked the video. Drop some thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. On our way to 100K, man. It's right around the corner. I've been wanting one of those plaques for so long, bro. So subscribe to the channel, man. I need that. Yeah, I got more content coming. You know, it don't stop. Appreciate all you guys. I'm gonna take this thing to the dealer tomorrow so they can fix the check engine light. I checked it, it was like a sensor or something. Nothing crazy, the car's driving fine. But the light's annoying as hell, so. Back to the dealer, warranty boys, not to pay $1. Okay, cool. So, alright guys, I'm out of here. Later.